So kapag in-applyan mo and then isosoli mo yung credit card, tatanungin ka talaga ni bangko, ano nangyari sa'yo? Bakit nag-apply ka? And then after a while, binabalik mo na. So mag-reason out ka na lang. Good luck! Okay, so hi everyone! Nandito na tayo sa part 2 ng ating video in answering your queries and maraming salamat once again. So, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Sana okay kayong lahat. Okay, so start na natin ang part 2 ng ating content. Okay, nanggaling naman ng query natin from Shomar Zone. Okay, so hi! Shout out sa'yo. Sabi niya, Happy New Year, Madam. Wow, thank you so much. That greeting means a lot to me. So, Happy New Year too. I hope you're doing good and thank you so much for dropping by sa ating YouTube channel. Nanggaling naman kay Kads at Chong. So, ang sabi ni Kads, how to pay online. So, I think he is referring to the PS Bank FlexiCard kasi under the video natin na PS Bank FlexiCard niya, in-attach or drinap yung kanyang pera, which is paano daw magbayad online. So, it is very easy. Depende kung saan manggagaling yung payment mo. No? Kung sa GCash, so pay bills ka lang. Pay bills palagi. And then, pag nandun ka na sa bills, credit cards, and then maglalabasan naman doon ng mga iba't ibang companies ng credit cards. So, piliin mo lang si PS Bank, and then i-attach mo yung card number with your payment. So, it is very easy kapag sa online. Actually, ako, it is easier for me to pay online. Ano? Kapag naman nanggaling sa ating mga debit cards, yung payment natin, through app pa rin. Through mobile app pa rin. So, doon tayo sa mobile app. Ganun din, bills payment, and then credit card. Hanapin lang natin yung ating credit card name doon. So, if it's from PS Bank, PNB, so yun lang din naman. And then, attach the credit card number and then the payment. It is easy. So, it's good to explore. Actually, ang pinaka easy to use is the GCash. For me, GCash, it is very easy and popular kasi si GCash as of now. So, yun pa din sometimes ang gamit ko. Pero kapag meron akong existing balance, available balance sa aking debit using my mobile app, doon na lang. Hindi ko na siya tina-transfer sa GCash. Kasi syempre, magbabayad ka pa ng transaction fee, diba? So, wag na lang. Doon na lang. So, it is very easy, you know. So, I hope you'll be able to discover it and then mag-explore tayo sa ating mga mobile apps and then try to explore more, even more, para mas easier for us and mas convenient. Pwede namang magbayad sa bangko, no? It is also easy to go there, pero thinking of the fact, lalo na kapag empleyado ka, may trabaho ka, or kahit hindi ka empleyado, pero busy kang tatay, busy kang nanay, okay, ang dami mong gawain. Actually, kapag ikaw talagang a mother that stays at home, nako, 24/7 ang trabaho mo dyan, day. So, mas convenient pa rin sa'yo ang magbayad online. So, there you go. Thank you so much, Kad Chongs, for dropping by. Again, another query na nanggaling naman kay user sa nating subscriber sa YouTube channel natin. Ang sabi niya, hello po, same situation po ba yung sa Google Play payment sa CP? Decline din po kasi nung magta-top up ako sa game. Yes, kapag nagde-decline, usually there's no available balance or credit limit doon sa credit card natin kapag credit card yung payment ginamit natin for payment. So most probably decline kasi nga there's no available credit limit. So kailangan go to your credit card and then tingnan mo kapag may available balance ka and then try to pay some of your credit card bills so that you can top up. You can top up doon sa game na pinurchase mo. So there you go, user. Thank you so much for that query. Okay, so here is another query na nanggaling naman sa isa pa nating subscriber. Sabi niya, paano po magpa-approve sa credit card kapag mag-a-avail ng cash loan? Okay, ito tinatawag natin usually to sa ating mga customer service representative ng bangko. So, tinatawag natin to sa kanila and then tell them our interest to apply for a cash loan. So, kailangan kasi merong help or assistance ang ating customer service representative. Sometimes, we can apply through the website. Pero ako, mas convenient na lang yung tawagan ko at makausap ko ang customer service representative. Kaya lang, kung minsan, ang hirap lang talagang tumawag sa kanila. So, tulad ng sinabi ko, may choice ka naman or option ka naman to apply sa website nila kapag available ang application for the cash loan. Kapag hindi naman available sa website ang application for the cash loan, mapipilitan talaga tayong i-contact ang ating customer service representative or go to the bank. I-visit natin ang ating mga bangko and tell them our interest to apply for a cash loan. So there you go. Maraming salamat. Okay, so here is another query na nanggaling naman kay Awul. Ano naman yung pangalan mo? Okay na yon. Awul 6769. So shout out sa'yo, Awul. Baliktarin ko na kaya, Lowa. Okay. Hi sa'yo and shoutout sa'yo. Thank you so much. And then, ang query niya, Ma'am, pwede po ba ako mag-purchase ng product under installment using credit card? Tapos, installment babayaran yung sa CC. Thank you. Okay, ganito yan. As what I've said, again I say, if your credit card is affiliated with the merchant at in-approve ni merchant na pwede mo siyang ma-purchase yung item na yan in an installment, yun ipaprocess ngayon ni merchant kung i-approve ni bangko na bayaran mo siya ng installment. Kasi upon processing, doon sa cashiering section, ipaprocess nila and then they'll be asking for an approval from the bank of installment payment. Ngayon, kapag nagbigay ng approval si bangko, then okay yon. Pero kapag walang natanggap si merchant na approval from the bank, then probably hindi pwede for installment or you cannot pay it in installment. So, the key is tell the merchant that you are buying that or purchasing this and sabihin sa kanya na gusto ko sana kung pwede installment. Kasi kapag affiliated ang credit card mo kay merchant, madali lang yan bayaran ng installment and sometimes it is 0% interest pa nga. Kaya ang gagawin mo lang is the key as what I've said, speak with your merchant. Okay, speak with your merchant, okay? Or the agent of the store. And then sabihin mo, ipapurchase ko to, babayaran ko ng installment. Can I pay it in installment with 0% interest? Kasi kapag affiliated si credit card ka merchant, hindi lang installment, kundi 0% pa ang maa-avail mo. So there you go. Sana Lowa na lang ha. Awul. Okay. Sana na-satisfy ko yung query mo. And kapag meron ka pang additional query, you can drop it dito sa ating comment section for additional query kung meron pa. So thank you so much. Okay, so another query na nanggaling naman kay Daily Vibes. Okay, Daily Vibes, shout out sa'yo. And thank you so much for dropping by. And so sabi niya, where can I see my HSBC credit card PIN? Also, yung hotline nila ay not available. Why? Okay, so ano ba yung hotline that you dialed? Let me see and I'll try to attach it here. I-try mong tawagan ito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit unavailable yung trunk line nila or yung landline nila, pero i-try mo lang to, okay? And then, another one, saan ba makikita yung HSBC credit card PIN? Usually, nagpapadala si bangko ng credit card PIN 2 weeks after the delivery of your credit card. For some banks, I should say, ina-applyan natin. So, try to call the customer service representative by the number that I will be attaching in here. Hopefully, makontak mo siya. Otherwise, you don't have a choice if not to go to the bank. Daily Vibes para mag-inquire doon sa credit card PIN na ibibigay sa iyo ni bangko. And if they ask you to apply for it, meron ka kasing application form ulit na if you fill out and then, or siguro i-interview ka nila para mabigyan ka ng credit card PIN. But as what I've said, most of the banks ipapadala yung credit card PIN 2 weeks, 10 days to 2 weeks after actually na-deliver yung credit card mo. So I hope Daily Vibes na satisfy kita. If there's any query, please drop your comments sa comment section. Thank you so much. Okay, so here we are for another query na nanggaling naman kay Bakig Bantay. Okay, Bakig Bantay, shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much for dropping by and for dropping your comment. Eto, sabi ni Bakig Bantay, hello ma'am, good afternoon. Magtatanong po sana ako kasi yung CC ko di ko na nakuha. Gusto ko di na kunin. Pwede ba yun? Di ko na lang kunin. Maraming salamat ma'am. Okay. Ano yung di ko na lang kunin? Dineliver ba sa'yo or kukunin mo sa bangko? Na-approve ka for a credit card and then kukunin mo sa bangko? Yun ba yun? Or yung bang sinabi mo na di ko kukunin, hindi mo na lang siya i-activate? Okay. Medyo may kaguluhan ng konti. Pero okay, sige. I would think na ang dinidescribe mo dito or ang tinatanong mo dito is na-approve ka for a credit card pero hindi mo na siya kukunin or hindi mo na siya i-activate. Okay, kapag na-deliver sa'yo yung credit card and you don't really have the intention na to activate it, hindi ka na talaga interesado, i-surrender mo na siya kay bangko, no? Kasi may mga credit cards na auto-activated. I mean, yung parang nag-activate na lang siya bigla. So, akala mo, kapag hindi mo inactivate, safe ka na. Pero merong mga bangko or credit card na kapag dumating sa'yo, after 2 weeks na hindi mo inactivate, mismong nag-activate na lang siya. So kapag merong annual fee yan, you are obliged to pay the annual fee. Kaya I would like to or strongly suggest actually na kapag hindi ka na talaga interesado, after several na meditation at ayaw mo talaga, natatakot ka ba? Okay, kapag that is your decision, isurrender mo na lang kay bangko para safe ka. And then if they ask you why, then sabihin mo na bago yung isipan mo. Ito ba credit card na in-applyan mo? Or ito yung mga biglang dumadating na lang na credit card sa'yo even without applying for it? May mga ganun kasing testimony or experiences ang iba nating mga subscriber pa dito. So kapag in-applyan mo and then isusoli mo yung credit card, tatanungin ka talaga ni bangko, ano nangyari sa'yo? Bakit nag-apply ka? And then after a while, binabalik mo na. So mag-reason out ka na lang. Kung ano mo yung reason mo, kung ano mo yung mga dahilan mo, then sabihin mo na lang kay bangko. Good luck! Thank you so much. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Just go to the bank. Sabihin mo na lang kapag ayaw mo talaga, surrender mo na. Sabihin mo lang yung reasons mo and I believe na matatanggap naman nila kasi hindi naman nila pwedeng ipilit ang isang bagay kapag ayaw mo talaga. No? That is against your will or your rights siguro as a human being. Okay, drama ko, no? So thank you so much for dropping by. Okay, so another query na nanggaling kay Jamila Houseman. 8606. So shout out sa'yo, Jamila. Thank you so much for dropping by and also for dropping your query here sa ating YouTube channel. Ang question ni Jamila. Here we go. Ma'am Crisel, yes. Paano po malalaman na na-approve ako kay East West? Kasi may agent po kasi online na kinuha ang reference number ko kay Metro Bank. Ganito, kapag ang agent na yan assisted you to apply for a credit card kay East West Bank and kapag approve ka, itatawag talaga ni bangko yan sa'yo or magpapadala ng message or email indicating that you get approved with a credit card with them. Usually, mag-aantay ka lang ng additional 2 to 3 weeks, ide-deliver na nila yung credit card mo. That's how I experienced during my time na nag-apply ako ng credit card with East West Bank. Ngayon, kapag hindi ka naman na-approved, wala ka na talagang hinihintay na email or message. At of course, wala na rin silang i-deliver sa'yo. So kapag natatandaan mo, the day na kinuha ni agent ang reference number at information mo, take note of that and then magbilang ka lang ng araw. Kasi after 2 to 3 weeks, kailangan meron ng, sige, i-maximize na lang natin kahit 1 month. At least meron ng email sa'yo si bangko kapag approve ka. Thank you so much, Jamila. Wala ka, baka maiyan. Okay, so here is another query na nanggaling naman kay Jerlyn. Hi Jerlyn, shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much for dropping by and for dropping your comments as well. So sabi ni Jerlyn, what if po straight payment? Okay, yung pinamili mo, pwede po ba siyang installment? Yes, possible. Kapag may mga installment programs na available sa credit card mo. So what you gonna do is that go to the website of your credit card and tignan mo doon sa credit cards kung may mga available silang installment programs. Kapag merong available na converting straight purchases or straight payment into installment, then yun ang applyan mo, and tignan mo rin kapag possible na doon ka na lang mismo mag-apply sa website. Kapag in doubt ka, pwede mong tawagan ang customer service of the bank and then tell them your interest to convert straight payments into installment. And I believe that the customer service representative will be assisting you in your interest to convert your straight payments into installments. So, Jerlyn, thank you so much. If you have another query, you can drop it here dito sa ating comment section. Maraming salamat. There you go. Natapos na natin ang ating video for today. We were able to tackle few queries and itatakal ulit natin yung mga hindi pa na-tackle na questions in the coming videos, in the coming days. Maraming salamat. I would just like to extend my warmest greetings of a blessed and a happy new year, a prosperous new year sa inyong lahat. Sa mga nagpadala ng messages like Happy New Year, greetings, I declare the same prosperity this 2024 sa inyong lahat, and i-declare natin na in the future, hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng credit card kasi nga meron na tayong ready and available cash on hand na hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng credit card kasi nga hindi na natin kailangan umutang. Yung ganon, hindi ba? So, palagi positive mindset, pag magka-credit card man tayo in the future, it is by choice na lang kasi gusto nating karoon ng rewards o ng points, pero hindi na dahil nangangailangan tayo. So, that is my desire to all of you, and God bless you all. And sana po makapag-subscribe na din yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And always, please, don't forget to tap the notification bell down there so that you will always be notified sa mga videos na i-release naman natin in the future. So once again, maraming salamat. And always remember, kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok yan, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone. Thank you.